Summer, come with me, stay. Morning paints the ocean blue, golden light is shining through. Coffee gently warms my hands, like the dreams we always planned. Ocean whispers to the shore, calling softly evermore. Every wave begins to sing, every breeze remembers spring. Tiny clouds above the sea dance like memories with me. Every heartbeat starts to glow where the summer breezes blow. Footprints slowly fade away, but our dreams are here to stay. Coffee steam begins to rise like the sunlight in your eyes. Can you hear the ocean calling? Can you feel our hearts falling? Closer now, stay somehow, don't let go right now. Coffee and ocean wind carry me home again. Hold my heart, hold my soul, you have always made me whole. Coffee and ocean wind, take away the fear within. Stay tonight, stay with me like the endless summer sea. Oh, higher, higher, stay with me. Higher, higher, stay with me. Summer. Every sunset tells a story, wrapped in golden summer glory. Every little smile you gave, life's forever